So I'm going to throw a note in here that Nick said 3 times he was going to do the top half. And he's done it from the start.
Come on.
Both times so far. Dang! That was the best attempt so far.
No man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
So today's video is about failure. I'd gotten in my head that because I'd been making progress towards this pink V6 project, that I was gonna send it. Today was gonna be the day. I was gonna become a V6 climber. I couldn't stop thinking about it. I've been making progress. I almost hit the Crimp Dyno, and I thought, I'll be at the gym, I'll be fresh. If I can stick that, I can probably top it out. And I was really excited. Unfortunately, it kept me up all night. I couldn't stop thinking about it, and I got to the gym feeling tired and awkward and just totally off and in my head. Nothing was flowing. I couldn't climb intuitively, and nothing was working. And I built it up as this big monumental day that I would not live up to. So I'm stepping up to my first attempt of the day, and prior to this, I actually said I was only going to work the top half.
I'm gonna try just half.
Which half?
The top half.
Rather than continuing to project this, I decided I wanted the sand and started from the bottom. And immediately you can see I'm just all over the place. I missed the left foothold there, super shaky. I don't place the heel hook here, and I eventually miss a move that I haven't missed in many, many attempts.
I didn't use the heel hook. I'm like so in my head.
I thought you were going to try it from the, you went from the start.
I know. Yeah, I wanted to see how the start would feel.
Okay, how'd the start feel?
Terrible.
Okay.
I'm so in my head right now. It does not feel good.
I'm going to throw a note in here that Nick said 3 times he was going to do the top half. And he's done it from the start.
Come on.
Both times so far. Dang! That was the best attempt so far.
I missed it right that time. Okay. Yeah, we'll come back to it. Yeah. Have you done it, Ash?
I haven't done it yet, no.
You want to try it?
Which one?
The orange one?
I can try and see what
Yeah.
happens.
You got it.
I haven't seen anyone do it, so I don't
Max
really
said
know.
it's easy, so it's got to be pretty easy. I feel like off today.
Your baseline is try hard.
No, I know. I don't know how I'm gonna climb. I woke up really tired today.
Well, this will be the deciding factor, maybe.
Nervous.
flashing it.
Your eye's not gonna flash it, so just
It's not a flash kind of thing.
nice. Am I the one who grabbed that pinch?
I didn't want to grab
Everyone's
that
skipping
sidewalk.
that pinch.
I didn't want
Yeah. Now you make me think. Do I need it?
Just make sure you overthink it, okay?
I'll do my best.
Yeah, I think it's probably easier without the pinch.
Yeah, I was like, I don't like the way it looks. Like, I feel like I'm going to fall off. So
I just thought it was gonna be a bigger move going for the undercling, but I guess it feels better, huh? Nice. You flashed. Good job, dude.
Against all odds.
All the odds.
All right. Is there anything else we should try? Doesn't matter. Oh, he matches the climb. Come on. Yeah. You got it. Nice. Nice. Yeah. How was that?
Easier than it looks. You just gotta keep moving.
Just keep moving.
And don't try to like.
So this was, I think, the third problem of the day, and I still wasn't in the zone. I mean, the whole session really didn't go the way I wanted it to, and so I'm really overthinking every move, doing a lot of unnecessary hand matches, really touching every hold, not climbing intuitively, and overthinking everything. Struggling to figure out where to put my feet. I do a hop foot match, which isn't efficient. Getting really caught up here, doing some meatball climbing when it's really not necessary. Awkward little heel hook, toe hook thing there into the Gaston. Although, to be fair, this was kind of a tricky sequence to try to come around the corner on this face. And you can't really see it in this angle, but it is quite overhung. And it feels like if you just try to go around, you're gonna swing off.
Oh, nice. The stable finish for real.
So for those of you who saw the last episode, we tried to flash the set including this problem, which I thought was a V2, but it ended up being a V3, which I thought was even harder, and I was unable to send. So we came back today to try to get some redemption, knowing now that it is a V3 and should be within our range. So Ashley went ahead to show us the beta as she'd done it before, and obviously had no issues with it. And so we watched her, and then we all decided to give it a try to see if we could do it now on a new day. So I hopped back on having seen some of the beta, although to be fair, I didn't really pay that much attention as I was still in my head about the project, and I end up getting stuck exactly the same way as before. I get pretty close near the end of this attempt with my left foot up on the little hold that's really slopey, and then stepping my right foot up onto the sloper, but I don't feel like I'm in position and my hips are not turned the correct direction. And so I hop back off. You got it. Slopey slabs, my nemesis. Finally got into the right position, but couldn't extend my left arm and ended up falling off.
So we're doing the giveaway for 100 subscribers. What? What do you mean restart?
It was like had a delay before.
Okay. All right. So we're doing the giveaway for 100 subscribers. As of this moment, we actually have 140, which is really cool.
Wow.
And here, take a look at this. So I went through the trouble and I pulled all the names out of the story polls and I printed it out and cut them up. And so they're all in here. And I'm gonna have actually, let's see, Amy, come here. So it's completely unbiased. Amy, you're gonna pick the winner of the giveaway. One name. And then read it.
JD?
JD Shahani?
It's not focusing.
All right, well, I'm gonna probably, that's my buddy. He doesn't count, he doesn't climb. Okay, pick another one.
He doesn't climb.
I'll get him something else. He's just being nice, bro.
Andy Palm.
Andy Palm, okay. Andy Palm, actually, he subscribed to my YouTube and I followed him on Instagram. I found him, we started talking. You are the winner. So I'm gonna connect with you and get you the chalk and the finger file. All right.
After having tried a bunch of the other problems, I decided I wanted to head back to the project, hoping that my body had warmed up and I'd be able to stick this final move. This dyno to the crimp really was the only goal I had for the day, knowing that sending the project probably wasn't going to happen anymore.
I know! It keeps happening the same way.
That's it for today's video. Like I said in the beginning, this video is about failure, and that's partially true, but watching all these videos back as I'm editing this, I can't help but notice how happy I look and how much I'm smiling. And watching those final clips of me working on the project Dyno, I am making progress. I hit that crimp and I almost stuck it on that 6th attempt. The swing was just a little bit too much. So I think it was a very important session for me to see that it's not always going to be sends. This was not a send day. I couldn't finally send that black V3 sloper that I felt was totally within my range, and then I didn't really get where I wanted to get on the pink V6. I came in with the idea that I was going to get my first V6 ever, and instead I settled for just a small amount of progress on the next move. And I think that's just what climbing is about, understanding that it is a process that you have to be patient for, and enjoying the process. And as much as I felt like it was an off day and that it wasn't a good session, I had a lot of fun and I did get stronger. But anyways, I really appreciate everyone watching. In this video we do the 100 subs giveaway, but at this point we're actually closer to 200 subs now, which is just insane. I never expected to have anyone watch these videos. I just thought it would be fun to make them, and I'm gonna keep doing it. So I really appreciate your support. I appreciate everyone liking, subscribing, and if there's anything you like or don't like, please let me know in the comments. And if you use Instagram, especially for climbing, feel free to follow me at Nick Keali'i Climbs, the same as my YouTube channel. I will follow everyone back, and I post a lot of climbing reels, and that's where I held the giveaway. So if you want to participate in a future giveaway, that's the place.